The power to shape our world lies within each of us, but especially with our youth. Ladies and gentlemen, let us empower our learners to become the driving force in our mission to safeguard our environment for them and the generations to come. To our partners, your support has been invaluable. Together, we are fostering a generation of passionate and sustainable environmental warriors who will ardently conserve our precious surroundings and collectively build a better planet for all. In the upcoming phases, we will work closely with the Ministry of Education, Science and Technology, the Ministry of Environment, Climate Change and Forestry, and the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development to ensure that every learner across the country is aware of this award program. Every participant in this award scheme will become part of a growing movement of conservationists who